Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. This video today, it's kind of fun for me. This is just an example of how you can revamp your weave or your wig, whatever you're wearing, if you get bored with it or if you make a mistake and you feel like you need to revamp it. My cause was a little bit of both, so just stay tuned and you'll see what I mean by that. Disclaimer, I am in no way encouraging anyone to cut their hair at home or experiment with the shears. If you want a quality cut, just book an appointment and go to the salon. I know my angles and I've been doing hair for over 10 years, so this was easy for me, but it also was tedious and it took a lot of time. If you go to the salon, it will not take that long. It should take like 15 to 20 minutes to get a nice little cute cut in. Yeah, but just go and spend your coins and get you a quality cut. But just stay tuned, keep watching. Like I said, I just want you guys to see that if you get bored with the long hair or whatever on your weave or wig, you could go ahead and change it up and do a cute little bob. Yeah, so just keep watching. I hope you guys enjoy. Stay tuned. Don't forget to like and subscribe, comment. Let me know what you guys think. I'm super excited. Bye.
Cold like ice, hot like a desert. Gotta dress right, cause you change like the weather. It's been a couple weeks and I'm writing love letters. The chance of me and her, it'll probably be never. The chance of being happy, it'll probably be slim. The line between us, it'll probably be thin. I can't give up, I'm focused on win. When I call her phone, she hung up again. Every time I see you, you act like I'm see-through. Trying to make a statement, but I don't really need you. Baby, I'm a hot boy, baby, I'm a fly guy. I don't even care now, see it when I walk by. My mind is tripping, somebody wake me up. The time is ticking, somebody wake me up. I don't think I have the time to tell you how I feel. I'm running through the fire, through the flames. Label me foolish, cause I don't feel pain. I'm running, running. 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 Your new thing's done, relationship over. I can't get much older. Now you want me to come over. So I'm running through the fire, through the flames. Label me foolish, cause I don't feel pain. I'm running, running. I'm running, running. I'm running, running. I'm running, running. Mike Crosby. She got me going through the motions. Yeah, 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 yeah. Now I'm the only boat in this ocean. Got me by the poolside thinking about love. Man, I'm so hooked, I ain't even on drugs. I gave her my heart, guess it ain't enough. Pretty girls lie, wonder why it's so rough. Now I'm feeling like I'm in high school. Yeah, 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 yeah. I should've known she was dangerous. My mind is tripping, somebody wake me up. The time is ticking, somebody wake me up. I don't think I have the time to tell you how I feel. I'm running through the fire, through the flames. Label me foolish, cause I don't feel pain. I'm running, running. dress right, cause you change like the weather. It's been a couple weeks and I'm writing love letters. The chance of me and her, it'll probably be never. The chance of being happy, it'll probably be slim. The line between us, it'll probably be thin. I can't give up, I'm focused on win. When I call her phone, she hung up again. Every time I see you,
I did an A-line bob on myself, and I cut these little China bangs in the front because I was going for like a soccer mom-ish, Dora-ish, edgy-ish kind of look. I don't know, I just wanted something simple, but something that I could play with too if I got bored with it. As you saw before, the hair was it was long and it had the bangs, and the bangs were a little bit longer, but truthfully, I do not like hair in my face or on my face at all. But this situation, it was at first, originally, it was supposed to be like a lace that I had done, like a lace front kind of deal. And you know, it was supposed to be all cute and feathered back and stuff. But see, this was like my first time or whatever doing the whole glue the lace on. The lace is on, it ain't going nowhere. But let me give you a close up on this. It just, I overplucked it, and I also used probably too much glue. Didn't wait for it to dry. Just didn't follow directions at all. So, that's what happens. Let me tell you, you don't take your time. You see? And then you might have to cut some China bangs like how I did. So just take your time. That was my first time ever gluing on a lace closure, and it can only get better from here. Like Rome wasn't built in a day. I'm great at many things, but this I am not great at yet, so bear with me. Okay.
She got me going through the motions. Yeah, 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 yeah. Now I'm the only boat in this ocean. Got me by the poolside thinking about love. Man, I'm so hooked, I ain't even on drugs. I gave her my heart, guess it ain't enough. Pretty girls lie, wonder why it's so rough. Now I'm feeling like I'm in high school. Yeah, 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 yeah. I should have known she was dangerous. My mind is tripping. Somebody wake me up. The time is ticking. Somebody wake me up. I don't think I have the time to tell you how I feel. I'm running through the fire, through the flames.